Hi, welcome to DeTech Theory's Introduction to Computer Science course, where we'll be instructing Introductory Java programming. I'm Bronwyn.
And I'm Vasundhara.
And welcome to Lesson 0.
All right. So what exactly is computer science? The very essence of computer science lies in problem solving. It consists of the processes that take place at the time the machine or computer receives input and when it gives an output. Everything you see in this little white circle in the middle right there, that's what a computer does, and that is what computer science is. By the end of this course, we hope that you will have a pretty solid idea of what goes on under the hood of any device that you're using, especially with Java.
So why do we need computer science? Well, computer science is an integral part of almost everything we do, especially in the digital era we live in today. Having a background in computer science opens up innumerable avenues for you in the corporate world, in research, etc. No matter the field, computer science is bound to be a part of it. You start to look at the world in terms of patterns and problems, which allows you to tackle many complex problems and break them down in a way you might not have thought was possible before. Also, contrary to popular belief, computer science actually helps you tune into your creative side as well, because you need to be able to think outside of the box to find different solutions to an issue. There's no right way, per se, but there are always multiple ways to approach an issue. For most computer science programs, there's a way to write a code that requires a lot of written code and memory storage. This is known as a brute force approach. With some creativity, however, these problems can often be simplified tremendously. This is known as syntactic sugar.
All right, so now we go into binary. What exactly is binary? Well, at the lowest level, computers store data as zeros and ones, that is binary digits. In our daily lives, we tend to use the decimal system, which is numbers all the way from 0 to 9. We use them in every combination, and that is called base 10. And now binary is called base 2 in here because we only use zeros and ones. So you may ask, why does the computer use binary instead of decimal? Well, it makes sense for the computers because they're powered by electricity, and technically they can only be on or off, that is either a 1 or a 0. Now, binary digits are also called bits. 8 bits make 1 byte, and you probably heard the word byte before in the sense of kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes, and the storage that you have in all of your computers. But now you know what it actually means and what it consists of.
So let's talk a bit about algorithms. If, for example, we wanted to follow a map, we could break it down into a series of directions, such as proceed forward 2 units, proceed left for 2 units, etc. These steps give us a clear idea of the task and the necessary steps to accomplish it. An algorithm is a computer science interpretation of the problem that follows specific steps, such as these, to provide the desired result.
And now we go on to implementing these algorithms. To implement these algorithms, you have to write it in a way the computer understands, or that is, using certain programming languages. In our course, we're going to start off with a graphical programming language known as Scratch, just to get the hang of breaking our logic into several different steps and executing them. After that, we're going to commence a deep dive into Java, which is what this course is all about, and learn one of the most popular languages used in the industry currently. This also happens to be the one taught in the AP Computer Science A course, as well as the ISCE examination if you're in India. Now, most of these programming languages are very similar. So once you learn one programming language, it becomes a lot easier to get the hang of others.
Thank you so much for joining us for Lesson 0, and we hope you return for future lessons where we will explore how to actually program.
If you want to follow us and follow this course going forward, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as follow us on Instagram at DeTech Theory. We'll put all of our details in the description below.
Thank you so much.